僕らは何回だってきっとそう何年だってきっとさよならと共に終わるだけなんだ仕方がないよきっとおかえり思わずこぼれた
go to an open day with Shanlin. Yeah, but like we are on the way to go eat, and then after we eat lunch, I'm gonna go to find Shanlin, and then we're gonna go to the open day together. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm with Shanlin. Hi guys. One mango lover. How are you? I go first. H&M. This is from H&M. Cotton On. My pants are from I don't know where. My shoes are from Adidas. And yeah.
Okay, nice. My shirt is from Uniqlo. My pants are also from Uniqlo. And then these shoes are from Nike.
Yay! Okay, so like we are going to play Dress to Impress because we are bored. So the first team is picnic. Second team is let's do like a girls' night.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, no. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for picnic. It's like this top with like these shorts. It's not really giving, but sure. Mine is like not really big. The pants are like really big.
My outfit for picnic. I think we accidentally chose the same top.
Yeah.
And the skirt, but it's also not really giving.
Okay guys, so we're gonna move on to the next.
What's this name again?
Sleepover.
Girls' night.
Super. Okay guys, so this is our outfit for the pajama sleepover party. Mine is just like this banana top with like this shorts.
It's really cute.
And Shama's one.
I was going for like matching pajama set. So like you
her one is so nice.
Blue top and then like the matching bottoms ish looking.
Okay, cute. Really scared to film in public because why is there so many people? But yeah, I'm gonna go get Gopa. So I'm waiting for my mom and my sister. Hi guys, we got Gopa. So we're gonna try. like others.